Alright, hey guys, it's Miss Katie, that vegan teacher, and I'm about to eat. I figure I'll have a mukbang all by myself. And I decided to leave this backwards to see if you guys can figure out what it says. And the reason it's backwards is because over on TikTok, it's actually forward, because everything's backwards over there. I hope you know what I mean. Just eating whatever the heck I have lying around. Now, I don't know if you guys realize this, but I live with a mother-in-law who's 84, and she is very forgetful sometimes. She has sort of Alzheimer's, kind of, not full out, but anyway, she does some bizarre things, like she will eat an apple and just like put it back in the fridge, kind of like that. So I'm gonna eat, you know, often I spend a lot of time just eating her leftovers. I mean, look at this. This is what she did. I found this in the microwave. This is, I don't know, she decided to put bananas in a microwave. Like, I can't even see a reason to ever put bananas in a microwave, but I mean, I draw the line there. I just don't see myself eating that. But anyway. Listen guys, thanks a lot for being here. I bought this this cheese here, this Violife cheese. Figure I'll try that out. It is vegan, and we got some tofu here. This is like olive flavored tofu. We're gonna try that. And we got some crackers here that the guy at the store told me that I would probably like. I'm gonna try that as well. And we have some soy milk, which is always a good thing to have. And I got some dates. You know, all kinds of stuff here. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, and I'll even have a carrot for dessert. Huh? All right. Anyway, so listen, tell me about yourselves. How's it going? How's your day going so far? Where are you guys in the world? Tell me in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna try to rip this open without. I don't have any. I can't find the scissors. You know. Anyway, my mother-in-law. I'm in her kitchen right now, and she's out with Bella. So I don't know. They might come home in the middle of this video. In which case, it's going to be kind of interesting because she speaks to me in French. Even though I constantly ask her to speak to me in Italian, she speaks to me in French all the time because that's kind of what we started doing when I met her years and years ago. And now I'm asking her to please speak to me in Italian, and it's hard for her to get used to. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my God. Okay, olive flavored. Let's try a piece of that. Oh, it's so good. So good, guys. Now listen, how do you open this? How do you open it? I think, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut the outside. I'm just gonna start sawing it. Okay, I don't know if that was the best way, but that's what I could come up with. All right, so this is Violife cheese. It's vegan cheese. I'm gonna cut a piece of that. I'm gonna put that on a cracker and see what that tastes like. So far, I do like this brand of stabbing your crackers is perfectly fine. Just don't stab animals, guys. You don't need to eat animals, don't need to wear them. Remember that being vegan is all about not using animals in any way, not stealing anything from them, not their lives, not their babies. Doesn't that look good? Oh wait, this side looks better. Look, check it out, eh? Oh, okay, let's go for it. Oh, very good. Very good. I think I'm gonna, what should I do? I mean, I don't really want to eat somebody else's leftover apple. And to just put it in the fridge without even covering it, but I don't know, maybe I'll cut off the sort of edge part. You know? Hopefully she washed it. I'm gonna assume she washed it. She does do a lot of good things. I mean, we have a whole schedule for her. She takes care of Bella, she takes Bella out, she cleans up, she does the dishes, all this kind of stuff. So often she comes up to me and she just says, what should I be doing? I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. And I'll just give her ideas, and then I'll give her something to sew or whatever just to keep her busy. Then she's happy. Oh, good. Okay, apples are vegan, good for you. You can also dip them in peanut butter. This is the kind that I buy. It's only peanuts. There's nothing else in there. No sugar, no added oil. Delicious. Look at that. You just have to make sure you stir it because the oil can rise to the top. I'm gonna get some soy milk. Don't forget to shake your soy milk. Otherwise, it's sort of all the thickening stuff goes at the bottom, like all the soy. Hold on. Which cup should I use? Maybe I'll use a wine glass today. How about that? You know? when I used to teach in the school system, there was a gang of teachers who used to always put their grape juice in a glass of wine. And I think it made them feel, maybe it really was wine now that I think of it. I don't think so. But anyway, I think they really enjoyed just drinking out of a glass of wine in the teacher's lounge. There you go. Soy milk, oat milk, as long as you're not drinking cow's milk, it's all good. Oh my gosh, so good. You know what, guys? If you're ever out and you really don't know what to drink or eat, just go to the grocery store and buy yourself one of these. It doesn't even have to be cold. It's so delicious. I think this one must have a bit of sugar in it. I don't know. I just bought it without really reading it, but this one has a bit of sugar in it. I thought it said Classico, so I thought it would be okay. That's why it tastes extra sweet. Anyway, that's okay, as long as you're not eating any animals. So what should I eat next? I also have cranberries. These ones are sweetened with apple juice. Anyway, listen, thank you guys for showing up to my mukbang. Tell Nikocado Avocado, if you ever see him, that he should have a mukbang like this. You know, where you're eating healthy foods. Whole foods. No need to stab animals. This is a wimpy carrot. Oh my god, I didn't realize it was like that. You know what? I'll eat it anyway. Wait. One sec. I also wanted to show you what I have for breakfast. This is left over from my breakfast, just so you can see. Oh, I better not show you that. You're going to think it's gross because it doesn't have the blueberries in it. Okay, anyway, this is what I eat for breakfast. Normally I put blueberries in there, and I also put walnuts on top. This is mixed up chia seeds with flax seeds and oatmeal. It has cinnamon flavor in there. It has apples in there. It has banana in there, and it also has turmeric in there. So it's a lot of whole ingredients. Whoa, I almost spilled that. Anyway, that's what I had for breakfast. That's a bit of the leftover. You can also put some cranberries on that if you ever want to. And reminder to eat a variety of different foods. So try to get a rainbow of colors. So I don't have a green pepper here right now, but yeah, you can eat red peppers, you can eat yellow peppers, and of course, an orange carrot once in a while. And get something out of the freezer like some broccoli or some spinach. You can make that into a smoothie. And also for dessert, yeah, dates. Dates are super delicious. I never used to eat them before becoming vegan, but they're even good for diabetics because they have a very low glycemic index. So when you eat these, even though they're super sweet, your glycemic index won't go flying up. And, oh yeah, also, yeah, here's some nuts right here. Walnuts, we order these online and we get an absolute ton of them in one shot. Look at that, brain food, even looks like a brain. Thank you so much for coming to my little mini mukbang. Please stay as vegan as possible. And if you like this kind of content, you want me to do another one, maybe with somebody for a change, let me know in the comments below. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save